In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Wrike Project Management, a tool designed to help teams plan, track, and collaborate on projects efficiently so you can understand its features, strengths, and where it might fall short. Wrike is a cloud-based project management platform that focuses on improving team productivity through task management, real-time collaboration, and reporting. At its core, Wrike allows you to create projects, break them down into tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and monitor progress in a structured way. One of its main strengths is flexibility. You can view tasks in a list, board, or Gantt chart, giving teams the choice to work in the style that suits them best. This makes it useful for both traditional project managers and agile teams who prefer visual workflows. Collaboration is another area where Wrike shines. Team members can comment directly on tasks, attach files, and tag each other to ensure communication happens in context rather than scattered across emails. Automated notifications and dashboards make it easy to track project status and spot bottlenecks before they become problems. For teams that handle multiple projects at once, Wrike's reporting tools and timeline views give a clear picture of workloads, deadlines, and overall project health. However, Wrike does have some limitations. The interface can feel overwhelming at first, especially for new users or small teams that don't require extensive project management features. Setting up dashboards, custom workflows, and automation can take time, and smaller projects may not need such a detailed system. Also, while Wrike's free plan offers basic task and project management, advanced features like time tracking, workload management, and custom reports are only available in paid plans. This can make it a bit pricey for small teams or freelancers who don't need the full suite of tools. Wrike is particularly strong for teams that need structure and visibility across multiple projects. It works well for marketing teams, operations, creative departments, or any group managing several projects with multiple stakeholders. Its combination of task management, collaboration tools, and reporting features makes it a professional-grade solution for teams that want to ensure deadlines are met and work is transparent. For individuals or very small teams, Wrike may feel more complex than necessary, but for growing teams that require organization, tracking, and collaboration, in one platform, it provides a lot of value. The balance between flexibility and control is what makes Wrike suitable for projects where clarity, accountability, and reporting are priorities. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Wrike Project Management or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.